Now we work with a mini project renaming files with the American style dates to European style dates. You know that American style dates will have month first, next date, next year, okay, in the MM, DD, YYYY format. Here 4Y indicates year in 4 digits. The European format dates will be in this format, that is DD, YY, DD, MM, YYYY, okay. First date, next month, next year, okay. This is the format of European date format. Now, this mini project searches all the file names in the current working directory for American style dates, okay. It searches for the files which are having American style dates. Then when such file is found, it renames the file with the European style date by swapping date and month, okay. Next, to do this, it is required to create a regular expression that can identify text pattern of American style dates. Once it identified text pattern of American style dates, then next step is calling os.list directory function to find all the files in the working directory, okay. Once we get all the files in the current working directory, then loop over each file name using regex to check whether it has a date. If it has a date, then rename the file with the European style date by using shutil.move, okay. For this project, first step is to create regular expression for American style dates. To create regular expression for American style dates, we need to create regular expression in this way. For example, date pattern equal to re.compile, then 3 triple quotes. 3 double quotes indicates regular expression will be wrapping to different lines. Now, here if you want to get the file list, if you want to find for the pattern, the date format is having regular expression which is started with the triple quote. See here, first date pattern need to be created with regular expression which is having triple quote to show the date pattern is wrapped in different lines, okay. And first expression is caret dot star. Caret indicates at the beginning of the file name format, okay. At the beginning, all the text before the date, all the text before the date pattern, okay. All the text before the date pattern means there will be file name with the extension, okay. Dot star indicates all the text, okay, before the file name. Next, this to identify 1 or 2 digits for month. You know that in American format there will be month first, okay. Month starts with either 0 or 1, okay. Here in the bracket 0 or 1 question mark indicates month begins with either 0 or 1, okay. Question mark indicates 1 digit, either 0 or 1. And next backslash d indicates rest. It can be 1 digit with any number 0 to 9. Next After 2 digits month, see here first we are going to check with the month. Okay, month may start with 0 or 1, and next backslash t indicates any digit. Okay, any digit, but in the month first digit if it is 0, the second digit may be 1 to 9, like 0 to 9. And next for month 10 and 11, first digit is 1, next digit is 1, and first for 12, first digit is 1 and next digit is 2. Okay, thus it checks for 2 digits. Okay, it checks 1 or 2 digits. The month will be 1 or 2 digits. See, this 0 or 1 question mark indicates this first 0 or 1 and next 1 digit month. Okay, totally in 2 digits. Next, hyphen. After the month there is separator called as hyphen. Okay, separator is given with the hyphen. Okay, if there is a slash as the separator, you have to give slash as the separator here. Next, this to check day. Okay, 1 or 2 digits of the day. You know that the day will be either see 1 0 1 0 2 0 3, and then like 0 to 9, then 10 11 12 till 31. Therefore here it is given the leftmost digit can be either 0 or 1 or 2 or 3. Next digit will be either 0 1 2 3 till 9. Okay, next any a single digit 0 to 9, but first digit can be either 0 or 1 or 2 or 3. Okay, and next hyphen. See, 1 or 2 digits for the day. Next 4 digits for the year. After hyphen 4 digits for the year. Okay, now see the year will start with either 19 or 20. Okay, year starts with either 19 or 20, and then backslash d indicates 2 digits. After 19 or 20, 2 digits can be 0 0 to 99, indicates the year starts from 1900 to 2099. Okay, and this for date pattern. And the text after the date. Text after the date will be with the dot star question mark, any character at the end of the file name pattern. Okay, of a particular file. Okay, now. Okay, this re.verbose indicates the regular expression is wrapped over many lines. Once date pattern is created, next step is to loop over the files in the directory. To loop over the files in the directory, see, loop over the files in the directory and then skip files without date. Next, get different parts of the file name. Okay, and now here to do this, first identification of date parts from the file name is required. Okay, see here, first you have to list all the file names. To list all the file names, you have to loop over the file names in the working directory by using this statement. By using for American file name is the variable, file name in the os.list directory in the current directory. Okay, it lists all the files in the current directory and loop over each file by using file name AMR file name, and then in that file name it searches for the pattern. It searches for the date pattern by using date pattern dot search. Okay, mo equals date pattern dot search. The results will be stored to mo. Okay, searched pattern result will be stored in the mo. If mo equal to none indicates if it can't find this date pattern, then mo will be none. Then continue. Okay, continue indicates that file name will not have date part. Okay, that pattern will not have date part, means mo is none. Then it continues to looping statement. This looping statement once again indicates if the date pattern is found in the variable mo, then the control transfer to this statement. If date pattern is not found in the variable, then it loops over to next file to check or to find that date pattern. Okay, to find that date pattern. Now here, see, if date pattern is found, then it has to extract parts of the date field. To extract parts of the date field, see here, before the date there will be some part, before the date part, it will be stored to mo dot group 1, and in the date part mo dot group 2 holds month, mo dot group 4 holds day, mo dot group 6 holds year part, mo dot group 8 holds the part after the date, indicates time and other parts. Now here, what about mo dot group 3? mo dot group 3 holds hyphen or slash, that is separator. Then mo dot group 5 also stores a hyphen or slash. Now here, see, once it extracts different parts of the date, then next step is to form a European formatted file name. Okay, European dated file name. How to form the new file name? That is in the European dated form. To form the file in the European dated format, the statement is used. European file name equal to before part indicates the part before the date format. Next, plus day part indicates there is, see, you know that in the European formatted date part, there will be date, next there will be hyphen, next there will be month part, next there will be hyphen, and next there will be year part. Okay, day part will come first, next month part will come. Okay, and next part will be the parts after the date part. Okay, that is after the part, like time and other information. Okay, okay. So totally the European file name format will be created with the day part first, then month part, and then this European formatted file name is to be added in the place of American formatted file name. To do that, you need to give shutil.move. But to rename the file using shutil.move, we need absolute path. Okay, or we have to get full path of the file. The full path of the file will be got by abs working directory, in the variable abs working directory, by using the command os.path.absolute path, gives the full path of that particular file name. And then American file name will be added with the or stored with the full path of the file name by using join command, os.path.join, then the absolute working directory comma, American file name. You know, full path will be joined with the American file name. Next, European file name also same way. Full path will be joined with the European file name. Full path will be joined with the European file name. Once American file name and European file name variables are ready with the full path, then the rename command works. Okay, print renaming displays renaming %s to %s indicates American file name to European file, and then it renames American file name with the European file name by using shutil.move command. Okay, this will be uncommented after this all in working state. Okay, now see, in this way the American formatted date will be changed to European formatted date. Now to work with this program, you have to check first in the current working directory. For example, in the D drive, okay, in the D drive, in a particular folder, you can say some folder, for example, new folder. See, here there are two files, and both the files having the date with the month, date, year format. If you can't see the month, date, year format, then you can change the format of the file by going to control panel. Okay, now if you go to control panel, okay, control panel, and in the control panel, clock and region, and in the region, if you go to the format, okay, format of the date, if you change, okay, format of the date should be changed with the English United States. English United States indicates American formatted date. This date format need to be given to existing file. Okay, how do you give this date format? By selecting English United States. Now see, date format is in the American format. Okay, if you go to additional settings, then you can change the separator symbol, digit grouping symbol. Okay, digit grouping symbol, and then list separator. Okay, you can give list separator and digit grouping symbol. See here, digit grouping symbol is given as a dot, and there are some formats like list separator. List separator is here, it is comma. Okay, and see, in the short date format, you can change the format of the date by using either year into 4 digits, okay, by using this format. Okay, and if you want to give separator between month, date, year as hyphen, you can use this format, but this format gives date first, month in 3 digits. Okay, therefore here the separator is taken as slash only. Okay, in between month, date, year, here separator is slash. Okay, you can select okay. Okay, then apply. Okay, it is in the American style date format. Okay, and then if you see this, it is in the American style date format. This is the date field in the file name, and then there is a file name before date field, and then there is some other information like time and type of the file, size and all. Okay, entire file list need to be displayed with the file name, with all the information. Now if you try to run this in the Jupyter, okay, in the Jupyter notepad, if you try to run this, then see, we have seen that in the date format the separator was slash, not hyphen. Therefore, you give slash as the separator. When the date format is separated with the slash, you have to give slash as the separator here. Okay, and all other thing similar way as I explained previous. Okay, now here one more modification is, if date pattern it is not found, then it displays no pattern. Okay, no such a date pattern. Okay, now if you try to execute this code, okay, in the current working directory, you can see that the file name extracted, file name retrieved, in the os dot list directory statement is having only file name. It is not having date part. Therefore, it can't find this date part with this regular expression. Therefore, this statement is going to be executed. Okay, there is no date part in the file name. There is no date part in the file name. Just it displays the file name with the extension. Therefore, to return the file with the date part, we need to change this statement, okay, to get full date part. Okay, this, like this, how this program works.